Good morning students, myself Maria Zamani from SR International School Bareilly and I am going to be a maths teacher for this session. I know most of you find maths as a very difficult and boring subject, but this year, trust me, you are going to love maths. But you have to promise me a few points. First of all, you are not going to skip any part of the video which will be uploaded. Number 2, you have to maintain your notebooks. Number 3, you have to practice each and every day the worksheets which will be given to you and the assignments. For maintaining notebooks, you can use a fair notebook if you have it at your home. If you don't have a fair notebook at your home, you can use a rough one as well. And you must be ready with the pen, pencil, scale and all the stationery items which you have. Now we are going to start the first chapter of maths, that is numbers and numeration. So let's start with the difference between the digits and numbers. If I'm going to ask you what is the difference between digits and numbers, you are going to say they are same. No, digits and numbers are not same. They are entirely different. They have the same difference as letters and words have in English. For example, in English there are letters like A, B, C, D. These all are letters till Z. There are 26 letters in English. And when we combine these letters, it forms a word. For example, if you combine these letters M, A, T, H, S, it forms a word that is maths. Maths is a 5-letter word. Now, let's come to digits and numbers. Digits, there are only 10 digits in maths, not more than 10. Okay? They are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. There are only 10 digits in maths. 10 is not a digit. 10 is a number. 10 is a number. Why? Because it is consisting of 2 digits, 1 and 0. Let us take one example, 25. 25 is a number. Why is it a number? Because it consists of 2 digits. How many digits are there in 25? 2 and 5. 25. There are 2 digits in 25. Similarly, 327. 327 is a number. Why is it a number? Because it consists of 3 digits. That is 3, 2 and 7. Similarly with the 10 also, there are 2 digits in 10. What are they? Yes, 1 and 0. There are 2 digits. 100. 100 is a 3-digit number. 1, 2, 3-digit number. 1, 0, 0. There are 3 digits in 100. If I am going to ask you what is 6? 6 is a number or a digit. 6 is both a digit also and a number also. 6 is a 1-digit number. Now we are going to start with the place value system, Indian as well as international. Suppose we are having a large number of 6 or 7 digits and we have to just name it. In Indian place value system, suppose if we are in India, we use the words like lakh, 10 lakh, crores. But if we go on any other country, we use the words like million, billions and trillions. So I'm going to tell you the differentiate how these groups are differentiated. First, I'm going to tell you about the Indian place value system. What is an Indian place value system? Suppose you are having a large number of 6 or 7 or 8 digits. How you are going to differentiate it? First, let the first 3 digits be of one group. And that group is known as 100 group. I know you are very familiar with this group. Ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. Suppose 3, 2, 7 is given, then the number will be 327. 7 will be at ones place, 2 will be at tens and 3 will be at hundreds. Now, 3, one group. Now comes group of 2. That is thousands group in Indian place value system. That is a group of 2 thousands and 10,000. That is known as the group of thousands. Then after 2 there will be a group of another 2 digits. That 2 digits will be of lakhs and another one will be of 10 lakh. That means groupism is done here, like one is of 100 group, thousands group and lakhs group. The first group is having 3 digits, next 2 and next 2. Now come to international place value system. In international place value system, the first group remains as in the Indian system. The first 3 digits are same. And the group name is also same. There is also hundreds. This is also 100. Ones, tens and hundreds. Now, after 3 digits, it's not same as Indian. In Indian, we arrange 2 digits as one group. Now here 3 digits will become as one group. Thousands, 10,000 and 100,000s. That will be the group of thousands here. Thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. Now, come to the millions group. In millions group, there is millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. So there are also another 3 groups, hundreds group, then thousands group and millions group. In international, we are arranging like 3 digits, 3 digits and 3 digits. Now let us differentiate both of them together. In Indian, we have 3, 2, 2. Hundreds, thousands, lakhs. In international system, we have 3, 3, 3. Hundreds, thousands, millions. Now we are going to start with exercise 1.1. Question A is write the numeral for given number names. It's written number names. Numeral means a number. We have to write number for a given number name. What is number name given to you? 1,34,009. So how we are going to write it? First of all, we have to differentiate whether it is Indian or international. If it is given 1,34,000 and it is written lakh, that means it is obviously Indian. Yes, 1,34,009. So let us see what are the things in the hundreds group. In hundreds group there is only 9, nothing else, and 9. There is no 100 and no 20, 30, 40, nothing else like that. So what is the answer going to be here? 9, we write 0, 0, 9. Why we are doing 0, 0, 9? Because this is at ones place. What is at tens place? There is nothing at tens place. That's why we are writing 0. There is nothing at hundreds place also. There is no number of hundreds also. That's why we are writing hundreds. Okay. Now, let's check for thousands. What thousand is giving? 1 lakh, if you read it, it is given 34,000. How many thousands are there? 34,000. So you know in Indian system 3, 2, 2. And out of these 2, there is 34. So what we will write in 34,000? Then it comes 1 lakh. And 1 lakh we write it simply as 1. Now come to 15,064. 15,064. See, in 4. In hundreds group, what is there? 64. It is just 64. There is no 100. So what are we going to write? We are going to write 0, 6, 4. Why? Because 64 is written as 6, 4. But there is no hundreds one. 4 is at ones place. 60, that means 6 at tens place. And there is no hundreds one. So we will write 0 and put a comma over here. Now let us check how many thousands are there. How many thousands are there? If you go and check there is only 15,000. So we are going to write here as 15,000. 15,064. Then line lakhs 9. How we are going to write this? I know it's quite confusing for you. But let us see what will be the answer. First, let's check what is it in hundreds group. Hundreds group, what is there? There is only 9. 9 is of lakhs and 9. What is in hundreds group? There is only 9, which is at ones place. 9 which is at ones place. Then what is at tens place? Nothing. Nothing means 0 we will write. Then what is at hundreds place? Again nothing. So again we will write 0 and put a comma over here. Then after that there will be thousands group. How many thousands are there? There are no thousands. So what we are going to write in thousands place? 1,000 and 10,000 also for 0. Then again put a comma. Then after thousands there is lakhs. See, first is hundreds group, then thousands group, then lakh group. In lakh group, how many lakhs are there? 9 lakh is there. That means 9,0,0,009. Please don't skip any 0 in between. And don't put extra zeros also. What I have seen, what you people do, you just put extra zeros. Either you don't put the zeros or you put some extra zeros. So be careful just remember the chart. Place value chart and you will get the answer. Now, write Indian number name for given numerals. Obviously, when you see these numerals, it is 3, then comma, then 2, then comma. That means it is Indian system. Even if it is not written Indian number, then also you can recognize whether it is Indian or not. How can you recognize whether it is Indian or not? If you see these commas, this is 3 to 1 is one group, 1 0 is one group, and 7 is one group. If you see the middle one, it is of 2-digit number. That means it is of Indian. Okay, now how we are going to write it? See, 7 3 2 1 7 1 0 3 2 1. See, 7, if you see, this is at hundreds, thousands and lakhs. 7 is in lakhs. So 7 lakhs, 10,000, 10 is 10 is recited as 10. Then 10, 10,000, 321. 7 at lakh position, 1010 is thousand position, and 321 is at hundreds position. So 7 lakh 10,321. So the answer is 7 lakh 10,321. Please remember, you don't have to put commas in the number names. You have to put comma only in the numeral, not in number names. Okay, now come to the next one. 70105. Okay, just see, 105 is in which group? Hundreds group. So 105 is recited as 105. And before that, 70 is given. And 70 is in which group? Thousands group. So the answer will be 70,105. 70,000, 70,105. 70,105. Now, see the third one. 35,004. 35 is what? In what position? 35 is at what which group? Sorry, in which group 35 is? Thousands. So 35,000, and 004 is recited as 4 only. We are not going to write it as 004. 004 is 4 only. So 35,004. 35,004. Let us take one more example. 504020. Now see, 020 is at hundreds position. 04 is in group of thousands, and 5 is at the group of lakh. So 5 is in the group of lakh, so 5 lakh. Then 04 is 4,000. 04 is what? 4. It's not 40, it's 4. 04 is 4. And if it would be 40, then it will be 40. So 04, 5 lakh, 04 is 4,000, and 020 is 20. 020 is what? 20. So 5 lakh, 04 is 4,000, 5 lakh, 4,000, 20. 5 lakh, 4,000, 20. See, 5 is at lakh group, is in lakh group, 4 is 044 in thousand group, and 02020 is in hundreds group. So 5 lakh, 4,020. So answer is 5 lakh, 4,020. Now question C. Write international number names for given numerals. Suppose the numeral is given to you and we have to write its number name in international form. But even if it is not given, it is international number, we can recognize it is an international number. How we are going to recognize it as an international number? If you see 435 is one group and 854 is in one group. That means 3 digits in one group and 3 digits in another group. 3 digits in another group means that it is an international number. Okay, now let's see. 435 is in hundreds group and 854 is in thousands group. So how we are going to read it? 854 we read 854 as 854. So 854,435. 854 in thousands group. So we will write 854,435. So 854,435. Now next number 990,458. 8 is 458 and 990 is what? 990. 990,458. So 990,458. See the last one. 4040. 316 is 316. So answer will be 40,360. So answer is 40,360. So students, I hope you understood what I taught you today. And after this video, I'm going to give you one puzzle and you're going to solve it and show it to me tomorrow. This is one interesting puzzle, okay? Then we are going to start the exercise 1.1 after this. And question A, B, C. And until then, stay at home, stay safe, and have a healthy day. Thank you so much.